I just finished touring this amazing home that is Cape Dutch inspired. Not only that, it has plenty of outdoor living space and every room in the house overlooks the backyard. You're greeted by this amazing oversized door that leads you into the entryway here. That is absolutely phenomenal. This house has so many custom features I'm excited to tell you about. Before touring the rest of the house, I would like to give a special thanks out to John Zimmerman, the listing agent, for allowing us to tour this house, as well as Windmiller Custom Homes for doing an immaculate job. Everyone that has made this dream home a reality will be linked in the description below, so make sure you check them out. As you lead yourself from the entryway into this amazing grand space with these vaulted, gorgeous ceilings, these hanging chandeliers, takes your eye over here to this elegant, sophisticated dining room, perfect for wining and dining. And then it leads you over to this masterclass, awesome kitchen that backstops here with the marble, and you have the marble countertops as well, that tears down into the butcher block that's perfect for casual breakfast or for the kiddos. This gorgeous kitchen is appointed with only the best. It's the GE monogram line, which is top of the line, and that is the range as well as the vent. This house is focused on entertainment, so follow me back to the prep kitchen. Check this out. Again, no expense spared. We have marble countertops back here, glazed backsplash, undermount sinks, double sprayers, everything for a chef to prep back here so it can look just crazy back here and you look perfect in the front hosting. Check this out. It doesn't even look like a fridge. This is the freezer part. You have the wine fridge here, cooler drawers, ice, and then you have the refrigerator over here. This is awesome. Can you imagine yourself just hosting an amazing party? Man, just look at this. Just look at this. Just look at how awesome this is. The award-winning architect Michael Costantino designed this home with a modern take on the Cape Dutch architectural style that has been popularized in South Africa. It combines that feeling of familiarity, but is strikingly different. It's definitely a design that is unique this side of the globe. This home boasts 5 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, and 2 powder rooms, oversized 3-car garage with storm shelter, 5,456 square feet of interior living space, just over a half acre, and it's offered at $3.499 million. So as you open these massive sliders, it's going to create that indoor-outdoor space and blend it seamlessly. This is one of my favorite features of the house, is this backyard. It's immaculate. You have the turf, which is maintenance-free. You have the negative edge pool, looks absolutely amazing. And maybe my favorite feature of the whole house is gonna be that mother-in-law suite right over there that I never actually have to see her. So this wing of the house brings you into the primary suite. You got the wet bar there, and then you have the floor to ceiling windows that allows all that natural light in. And then the bedside tables have these nice pendant lights that are hanging from it, along with that matching chandelier. So on a December day like today, you have the gas fireplace that keeps it cozy and warm in here. And on the other side of that double-sided fireplace, come follow me. Imagine every day you starting your day just like this in this gorgeous bathroom. Heading over to this expansive closet to get ready for the day, and at the end of the day, you find yourself in this freestanding soaking tub. This is like a high fashion showcase for all of your ensembles and your wardrobe. You can't get more space. I mean, this is amazing. This is absolutely a ton of space. Ever since work from home has become normalized, I can see why you would want to work from home in an office like this. What a perfect space to end the night with either a after dinner drink or a cocktail, and then beat your buddies at a game of pool. I had a wonderful time on this home tour, and I hope you did too. If anything piqued your interest, check out the links below. And until then, I'm Ryan Burton, and I'll see you on the next one.